Hey y'all, and welcome back to Gardening Glory. I'm so happy you're joining me today. You know how much I love making a house a home, and a big part of that is bringing the outdoors in. And today, we're diving into something that can truly transform your home's environment, houseplants that don't just look beautiful, but can actually help you breathe easier. We're talking about those powerhouse plants that naturally filter the air, making it cleaner and healthier for you and your family. Because let's face it, we could all use a little more fresh air, especially inside our homes. So whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, stick around as we uncover these amazing air-purifying wonders. Trust me, you'll want to add a few of these to your space. First up is the peace lily, a classic beauty that does wonders for your air. Now, these elegant plants are known for their ability to filter out harmful toxins, things like formaldehyde and ammonia that can be found in everyday household items. But here's the thing about peace lilies. They're also natural humidifiers. They release moisture into the air, which is especially helpful during those dry winter months when the air inside can get uncomfortably dry. That added humidity can make a world of difference for your breathing, especially if you're prone to congestion or dryness. And the best part? Peace lilies are super low maintenance. Just give them a little bit of indirect sunlight and keep their soil moist, and they'll reward you with cleaner, healthier air. Next, we have the beloved spider plant, a favorite for its air-purifying superpowers, and, of course, those adorable spiderettes. These plants are like little toxin busters, working hard to remove harmful pollutants from the air we breathe. One of their biggest targets? Carbon monoxide. You see, spider plants are particularly adept at absorbing this odorless, colorless gas that can be emitted by things like gas stoves and fireplaces. That's why spider plants are a fantastic choice for bedrooms and living spaces where we spend a lot of time. They work tirelessly to keep the air clean and fresh, so you can rest easy and breathe deeply. Now, who doesn't love aloe vera? This succulent is a true multitasker, famous for its soothing gel that works wonders on burns and skin irritations. But did you know that aloe vera is also a champion air purifier? That's right. This incredible plant helps to remove harmful chemicals like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, making your home a healthier and happier place to be. Plus, aloe vera is incredibly easy to care for. It thrives in bright, indirect light and only needs to be watered when the soil is dry to the touch. Let me introduce you to the snake plant, a true superhero of the plant world. Now, most plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen during the day as part of photosynthesis. And while snake plants do that too, they also have this incredible ability to continue releasing oxygen at night. That's right. They purify the air while you sleep, making them the perfect bedroom companions for a restful night's sleep. And that's not all. Snake plants are also known for removing toxins like formaldehyde, which can be found in common household products. They're like little air-purifying machines, working tirelessly to keep your home fresh and clean. Get ready to be transported to the tropics with the areca palm, a plant that not only brings a touch of paradise to your home, but also works wonders for your respiratory health. You see, areca palms are natural humidifiers, releasing moisture into the air and combating that dry, stuffy feeling that can make breathing uncomfortable. But here's the best part. Areca palms are also incredibly efficient at removing harmful toxins from the air, things like formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. So not only do they make your home feel like a tropical getaway, but they also create a healthier and more breathable environment. Now, if you're looking for an air-purifying plant with a touch of elegance, look no further than the bamboo palm. This graceful plant is not only beautiful to look at, but also incredibly effective at cleansing the air we breathe. Bamboo palms are particularly good at filtering out two common indoor pollutants, benzene and trichloroethylene. Benzene is often found in things like paints, furniture wax, and detergents, while trichloroethylene can be found in adhesives, varnishes, and paint removers. By filtering out these potentially harmful chemicals, bamboo palms contribute to a healthier and more breathable indoor environment. Let's talk about the Boston fern, a plant that brings a touch of lush greenery and a whole lot of fresh air to your home. Now, Boston ferns are like little humidifiers, releasing moisture into the air and creating a more comfortable breathing environment. But that's not all. They're also incredibly efficient at removing pollutants from the air, specifically formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is a common indoor air pollutant found in things like furniture carpets, and even some cleaning products. So, by adding a Boston fern or two to your home, you're not only adding a touch of natural beauty, but also creating a healthier and more breathable space. For all you busy folks out there who still want the benefits of cleaner air, let me introduce you to the rubber plant. This beauty is not only a powerful air purifier, but also incredibly low maintenance. Rubber plants are known for their ability to remove a variety of toxins from the air, including formaldehyde, which is often found in building materials, and trichloroethylene, a chemical found in some cleaning products. They're like the strong, silent type of air purifiers, working diligently behind the scenes to keep your air clean and fresh without requiring a lot of fuss. Now, if you're looking to add a pop of color along with cleaner air, Dracaena plants are the way to go. These beauties come in a variety of colors and patterns, adding a touch of vibrancy to any room. But don't let their good looks fool you. Dracaenas are also powerful air purifiers. They're particularly adept at filtering out harmful chemicals like xylene and toluene, which are often found in paints, varnishes, and even cigarette smoke. So, by adding a Dracaena or two to your home, you're not only adding a touch of style, but also creating a healthier and more breathable environment. Last but certainly not least, we have English ivy, a plant that's not just charming, but also a true champion for allergy sufferers. You see, English ivy has this amazing ability to reduce airborne mold. And that's not all. It can also help reduce other common allergens, like dust mites and pet dander, making the air inside your home cleaner and easier to breathe, especially if you're prone to allergies or asthma. English ivy is quite versatile too. You can grow it in pots, hanging baskets, or even let it climb up a trellis, adding a touch of classic beauty to your space. Well, there you have it. 10 amazing houseplants that can make a world of difference in the air you breathe. I encourage you to try adding a few of these to your own home and experience the benefits firsthand. Don't forget to subscribe to Gardening Glory for more plant tips and tricks, and be sure to let me know in the comments below which air purifying houseplant is your favorite. Thanks for joining me, and here's to healthy, happy breathing.